Now we are going to discussion about the degree level question. What is that one? Here, what are the oxides? Give its classification based on chemical nature and oxygen content. Okay, what are the oxides? Give its classification based on chemical nature and oxygen content. Okay, let us give the answer in this type of questions. Here, answer is there. The compounds formed combination of oxygen with other elements are called oxides. Oxides nothing but the compounds formed by combination of oxygen with other elements here, that is called oxides. Definition. So oxides are classified into, so here, acidic oxides, basic oxides, amphoteric oxides, neutral oxides, mixed oxides, peroxides, superoxides, and suboxides. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 type of oxides formation of compounds here. One by one we are going to discussion. First let us take the acidic oxides. What is the acidic oxides we are going to see here? First one, acidic oxides here. What is the acidic oxides? These oxides which are formed when non-metallic oxides are called which one? Acidic oxides are dissolved in water. Means here the oxides which are formed out to formation of acidic oxides means these oxides which are formed when non-metallic oxides are dissolved in the water. నాన్-మెటాలిక్ ఆక్సైడ్స్ అనేటివి నీటిలో కరిగినప్పుడు ఏర్పడే ఆక్సైడ్లను ఏమంటారంటే ఎసిటిక్ ఆక్సైడ్స్ అంటారు. ఓకే, ఉదాహరణకు చూసినట్లయితే ఇక్కడ మనము ఇచ్చిండ్రు CO2, ఇక్కడ CO2 and SiO2, N2O4, nitrogen pentoxides also examples of which one? Acidic oxides. Okay, once again, what are the oxides definition given here? How many types of oxides formation means, that is the which one? How many type? 8 type of oxide. Acidic oxides, basic, amphoteric, neutral, mixed, peroxide, superoxide, suboxides formation. One by one, already acidic oxides we discussed in previous. Here now basic oxides. In basic oxide, the oxides which are formed when metallic oxides are dissolved in the water. మెటాలిక్ ఆక్సైడ్స్ నీటిలో కరిగినప్పుడు ఏర్పరిచేటటువంటి ఆక్సైడ్లని ఏమంటున్నారంటే బేసిక్ ఆక్సైడ్స్. ఎగ్జాంపుల్ ఇక్కడ మెగ్నీషియం ఆక్సైడ్, కాల్షియం ఆక్సైడ్, సోడియం, Na2O, FeO. These oxides are comes under the which one? Basic oxides. Next one, third amphoteric oxide. These oxides which exhibit the both acidic nature and basic character in their aqueous solutions are called amphoteric oxides. Amphoteric means exhibit the both acidic and basic nature of the compounds. Example here, zinc oxide, aluminum oxide, stannous oxide is the example of that one. Okay, next let us take the which one? Neutral oxides. What is the neutral oxide definition? We are going to see the oxides which show neither acidic or basic character in their aqueous solution is called neutral oxides. వాటర్లో ఉన్న సొల్యూషన్లు అనేటివి ఎలాంటి స్వభావాన్ని, నైదర్ అసిడిక్ నేచర్ కానీ బేసిక్ నేచర్ కానీ ఉండవు. సో ఇయర్ N2O, ఇయర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ N2O, NO and CO, carbon monoxide is the examples. Here next one, fifth one, let us take the mixed oxides. The oxides which are formed by combination of two or more oxides are called mixed oxides. Example here, Fe3O4, here Fe3O4, FeO and Fe2O3. Magnesium titanium oxide, MgO plus titanium oxide. Okay, that point you have to remember. Next let us take the sixth one is the peroxides. The oxides which consist of oxygen O bond are called peroxide. These when react with water produces the which one? Hydrogen peroxide. Here sodium peroxide and H2O2 here. Okay, not H2O, H2O2, that is comes under the peroxides. Third one here, seventh one also, which one? Superoxides. The oxides which consist of which one? That point you are important, O2 minus. O2 minus called superoxide. Potassium superoxide, rubidium superoxide are given here. Okay, last classification, that is the suboxides. Here suboxides, what is the oxides containing the less number of oxygen than required are called suboxides. Here what is the formula? C3O2 carbon suboxide, Pb3O2 lead suboxides. Okay, important classification. Just you have to observe and write down the question answer here. What are the oxides? Give its classification based on chemical nature of oxygen content here. Definition also given. How many types? Acidic, basic, amphoteric, neutral, mixed, peroxide, superoxide, suboxides. This classification and example. Definition simple and examples, just you try to you have to remember which type of oxides comes under the amphoteric or neutral or mixed or peroxide, basic nature or superoxides. This type of oxides comes under which one? That point you have to observe here. In that purpose you have to remember perfect example for the basic oxide is there. For example, magnesium oxide, calcium oxide, Na2O, these comes under which one? Basic oxides. Like that you have to remember to practice enough.